Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Drive link with quick and easy steps. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Head over to Google Drive and make sure you are logged in. After that, head over to File, Folder or whatever of which you want a link. Right click on it and select Share and then Copy Link, and this will get you the link. Or click on the share and then share again to manage type of permissions and who can access the link. You will see this window. Here you have two possibilities. If you want to share the file secretly, then you need to enter email of the person to whom you want to share. Next, select the type of permission you want to give, add custom message and click send. Or if you want to share link with anybody, then under journal access, change setting to anyone with link. Now copy the link from here and share it. And this is how you can make Google Drive link. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.